that I have attached on our WhatsApp group.
Oh, I couldn't find the video.
I have attached it on our WhatsApp group.
Yeah, but like I couldn't see it. It would just be black for me.
Okay, so I think uh, uh, I need to revise both topic and detail. Okay.
I'm gonna see if it works now.
Why?
I'm gonna see if it works now.
What did you just say? I didn't hear.
Okay, the video works.
Okay. Just only 5 minutes. Uh, I think after 5 minutes we will start our today's class. I think we need to start our today's class, right? Almost our 10 minutes are done.
Yeah.
So let's start. Okay, so as I have mentioned last week and before, uh, for the last week, we were trying to learn more about HTML and CSS. So for today, we will just revise both contents, and after that, I will give you some exercises. Have you all seen the web browser that appear here? So I will give you an exercise. All of you will create your own portfolio, just like this, and I will show you how I have created this one. And by using that step, all of you will try to create your own portfolio. Okay, so let me just start my today's class. So let's start our revision from HTML. As all of you know, HTML is just a hypertext markup language. It contains a different type of content that we want to display on our web browser. And it simply has two sections, the head section and the body. So inside head section, we will add information about our web browser, and inside our body section, as we have learned on our first class, it contains a different type of content that we want to display on our web browser, like an image and headings. We have different type of headings, as we have mentioned before. We have H1 up to H6. When we go further from H1 heading to H6, our font size will decrease, and we have a list tag. It will help us to list different type of item, and we have a table tag, which will help us to create table on our web browser. When we create a table on our web browser, we use the table tag, and TR is for table row. It will create a table row, and TH is for a table heading. And again, we need to create another TR based on our row number. And inside this table row, we will add a table of data. And we had an anchor tag. It will help our website to anchor links from another website to our. And we need to use, we have another tag which is called iframe, which will help us to add YouTube videos on our web browser. And I don't know if you all remember or not, on our first class, I have mentioned when we add a video on our web browser, it's better to use iframe instead of a video tag. When we say how we use iframe, we will just simply go to a YouTube, and we will choose the video that we want to add on our web browser. Let's say we want to add this video. So we will simply go to the share button, and after that we will click on embed button. So after that we will just simply copy this iframe link, and we will simply paste it on our HTML document. So this is how we add YouTube videos by using iframe tag in our web browser. And when we say how we add anchor links on our web browser, we will just simply go to the browser that we want to add on our web page. Let's say we want to add evangeli.com on our web browser. We will simply copy the URL of that website that we want to add on our web browser. After that, by using anchor tag or a inside our house of reference, we will paste the URL of the website that we want to anchor on our website. After that, we will explain what the link is. Let's say it is Evangeli. yeah, this is how we add, this is how we anchor different type of links on our web browser. I will show you in detail when I am trying to explain the portfolio, my portfolio. So yeah, HTML is all about it. It contains different type of tags. It has two type of section, a head and a body. Inside body, we will add different type of content that we want to display on our web browser, and inside our head tag, we will add different type of metadata and links that will tell information about our web browser. Yeah, this is all about HTML. Is there anyone who has a question on this part?
No.
What about Mahadir?
I don't have any questions.
Okay, what about Samuel?
I don't have any questions.
Okay, so the next part that we have learned last week is CSS. So CSS is just a cascading style sheet. It will help us to style our HTML content. So when we want to style our HTML content, as we have learned last week, we have three ways: inline, internal, and external style. So in the case of inline style, we will just simply style our HTML inside the tag that we want to style. As you have seen here in the example, inside a paragraph tag, we have already done our style. And in the case of internal style, we will create a style tag inside our HTML head, and inside this style tag, we'll write our styles by calling the tag name. So as you have seen here in the example, it will just simply call the tag by its name, h1, and after that, it is then its own style. And the last one is external style. In the case of external style, as we have learned last week, we will create another file which is called style.css or index.css, whatever the name. The last part should be .css. After we have created another file like this, index.css or HTML, style.css, we need to anchor that CSS file with our HTML file by using a link tag, and after that, inside that HTML, inside that CSS file, we will call everything that we want to style by using a selector. Like it could be a class selector or an ID selector. When it is a class selector, we use a dot operator in front of the class name. And when it is an ID, we use a hashtag sign operator in front of the ID name. And again, we can just simply call the tag name, and we can do our style inside the tag. So again, is there anyone who has question on this part?
No.
Mahadir?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the question? Do you have any question?
Not really.
Okay. What about Samuel?
Yeah, I forgot how to like link the text.
Okay, so let me show you how to link the text, right? Uh, in order to link, um, a style.css or CSS file inside our HTML, we need to use a link tag inside our head tag. So link inside link inside in house of reference, we will just simply write the file name. So for now, it is index.css. I will just simply write the file name, So it's already linked. And again, when we as I have mentioned before, when we went to we need to call the tag that we want to style, right? So by using a class and an ID name. So how when we say how we do that, let's say for now we want to style it by using a class name. So in this case, I used a container, which is called div. So div is just a container. So inside a container, like we use container when we went to style in the same way, different type of um, okay, sure. Okay. So we use div container when we went to style different type of tags in the same way. So as you have seen here on my web browser, here's my portfolio and welcome to my page text. So I have wrote my portfolio by using a H1 tag. Yes, Maheder?
How do you make uh like how do you make like the name Aiden and student? Like how do you make it different colors from the text?
Okay, so I will show you. I will show you. Just wait. I will show you in detail how I did this portfolio. Okay,
Okay.
so let me explain from Samuel's question. So first, I have shown you how we link our HTML file with CSS by using a link tag. So inside the link tag, sorry, inside our house of reference, we use the index.css or style.css file, and we need to add the name of the CSS file. So when we came to my portfolio, I have used a div container. So we use a container like when we went to style different type of tags in the same way. So for now, I went to make my portfolio and welcome to my page on the center of the web browser. So I have inserted both of them inside one div. So inside then again I give a class name for that div. Class is equals to header. So I am just simply go to on my CSS file. So what we said before, we use a dot operator in front of a class name, and we use a hashtag sign operator in front of the ID name, right? So for now, I have used a class name, and for this class name, for this div class name, I used a dot operator in front of this, and I make the text, I style the text align on the center, so it appear on the center of the web browser. So this is how we link HTML and CSS files together. First, we create another file which is called .css, and after that, I need to link that CSS file with my HTML by using a link tag. And when I went to when we say how we call that tag that we want to style on our web browser inside CSS file, we need to use a class name or an ID name. Then after that, by using that class name or ID name, we call that tag that we want to style inside our CSS file. Then after that, we will style them on a way that we went. So for now, I want to make them on the center. So I am just saying text align is equals to center. Is it clear now, Samuel?
Yeah.
Okay, so when we go to Mahader's question, the next part is, as you have seen here, the div is already closed. The next part is, my name is Aiden and I am a student. So I have used H2 or a heading 2 tag to write my name. So my name is, so I want to make my name or Aiden to be bold. So I use a bold tag inside of this H2 tag between, I mean, uh, before and after the name Aiden. Then again, I want to make a student word to be italic, or I want to style it in italic bold style. So I used an I tag before and after the student's word. Then again, I closed my H2. So when we say how I changed the color, like the Aiden and student, I am just simply goes to my CSS file and I made the bold or Aiden. I am just simply called the tag name by using its word like B, and I made the color to be red. And I mean, if you remember, I made the student word to be in italic bold. Then I am just simply called it by using an I tag. Then I made the color to be purple. So this is how I style its color. Um, is it clear now, Mahajan?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to the next part. What about Caleb? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go to the next part. And the next part, as you have seen here, I have already attached an image. So, as we have learned on our first day class, when we went to attach images on our web browser, we need to use an image tag. So I have used it, image, and inside it is source. I have attached the source of this image. So on my VS Code, inside image folder, I have added two images. This is Q's girl and an image of a strawberry. So for now, I choose to add on my web browser cute girl image. So as you have seen in here, image source is image source is equals to image folder slash cute girl.png. I have already added the source of this image. Then after that, I have expressed this image in Word by writing like my picture. Then I have already closed it. So this is how I add image on my web browser by using an image tag. Is it clear?
Yes.
Samuel, is it clear?
Yeah.
What about Caleb?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, thank you. So the next part is I have added my skills on my web browser. As you have seen in here, it is placed on the center, just like my portfolio and welcome to my page. So in order to make them on the center, and they are written by using different tags. The first one is by using H2, my skill, and the second, the list of my skills are added by using a list tag. So in order to make, in order to style both of them in the same way, I need to use a div container, just like I used before. So I have already inserted both of them inside a div container. Then I have given an ID name for this div container. Then after that, inside my CSS file, I have my div name it's an ID. So I used a hashtag sign. Then after that, I style them to be on the center by using text align equals to center. So this is how I have styled this one. Is it clear?
Yes, but could you explain how you made separate words the color again?
Okay,
Like how you separate it?
Okay, yeah, I know this one is black and this one is green, right? That's the question. So I will show you how I did that. Okay, so let me show you first. As you have seen in here, my skill is written inside H2 tag, right? So I have written my skill by using H2 tag. So what I did is just inside my .css file, I made all the text that is written by using H2 to be their color green. So this is how I made this color to be green. Is it clear now, Mahder?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is how I made all of H2, like my schedule, my favorite website, my video, and my name is also, it's written by green because I have made all of the H2 to be green. This is the reason.
And you're on the top of that list with a whopping 55% usage up there. Ain't no way. And that is way too smart for mankind. So I'm gonna
Open
have
the
to
video.
erase you from what life. Yo, hold up, dog. That's the way things are, man. Wait, so I do one smart thing and I'm on your hit list? That was not the first time. What do you mean? January 13th, 2022. Ring any bells? I didn't hear no ding dong. So airplane flight to New York that you were on gets interrupted by a lightning bolt. Plane comes crashing down. You climb on top of the plane and jump right before it touches the ground. I did what anybody else would do. April 23rd, 2012. Oh my God. Scale 12 tsunami hits Florida. Instead of drowning, you swam your way to the top. Come on, man.
Video. It is interrupting us. Okay, so let's continue. And I think we are here, right? My schedule. So again, we have created my schedule by using an H2 tag, and after that we have created a table by using a table tag. So table tag, inside table tag we have table of row and table of heading and table of data. So table of row is used to create one row of table. So it creates one row of table. So the first one, we want the first one to be a table of heading. So inside any data that is written inside a table of heading will just simply be bold because it's a heading. So it is bold. And after that, again, we have created another table of row. We have already created here, and we are just simply added data inside this table. So yeah, this is how we create a table. And when we say how we made this one, this color to be different from others, as you have seen here, it is already written inside T of H or table of heading. So we will just simply go to our in our CSS and we made everything that is inside our table of heading, background color to be orange and the text color to be white. So this is how we create this table. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
What about Mahder?
Yes.
Samuel?
Yes.
Okay, so let me go to the next one. And the next one is our my favorite website link. So again, I have created this by using H2 tag, and after that, in order to anchor any link from a different website, as I have mentioned before, we need to use an anchor tag or a tag. So inside this, inside a house of reference, we will paste the URL of the website that we want to anchor on our web browser. And after that, we will write the name of that website. We will just simply close it. So this is how we create, this is how we add links from different websites to our web browser, as you have seen here. Evangari and Google link and Evangari links are already appeared on our web browser. When we click on the link, it will take us to the browser that we have attached on our web browser. So this is how we do, this is how we add links to our web browser. Is it clear?
Yes.
Mahder?
Yes.
What about Samuel?
Yes.
Okay, so the last one is my video part. So I have again used H2 as you have seen here, and it says my video. So when we say how we add video, as I have shown you before, we will just go to YouTube and we will choose the videos that we want to attach on our web browser. Let's say for now we want to attach this one, and we will just simply go to the share button. Then again we will click on embed. After that we will copy sorry after that we will copy simply everything that is here. Yeah. Copy. And after that we will paste this on our code. When we go to our web browser, as we have seen here, sorry. Yes, Maher.
So where do you put the video link?
We will put the video link inside our base code, on our HTML code. After we have posted this in here, after we have pasted in here, it will just simply appear on our web browser.
Okay.
This is how we do. This is how we attach videos on our web browser. Simply. Is it clear?
Yeah.
What about Samuel?
Yes, it's clear.
Samuel?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you all ready to create your own portfolio?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, just let's start to do, and I am here to help on everything. Feel free to ask me at any time. So our today's class exercise is just to make a portfolio. Like, don't get stressed that much. So just create like a letter which says like my portfolio will come to my page. Like, for example, for Caleb, hey, my name is Caleb and I am a student, and just attach an image that whatever you want, and write your skills and your schedule, and try to anchor links from your favorite website, and try to add YouTube videos. And at any time, if you have any question, I am here. So today we will practice it. We will practice on it. Is there anyone who has question?
No.
Madam?
whenever you're making the color like for Aiden and students,
Mhm.
do you just put B and then you make the color that you want for is Aiden the only board where like is that the only thing we're gonna make green? Yeah.
Either like when I am trying to add colors on my on this line, let me show you again.
I just need to see the CSS.
Yeah, you need to. Okay, yeah, watch it. This is how I
Okay.
made.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What about Samuel? Do you have any question? Samuel?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay, are you trying to do?
Yeah.
Okay, just do. I am here if you need help. Yes, Mahader?
Whenever I'm making my website, if I already have one from the summer camp, can I just add the things that you added?
Yeah, you can. But you will explain for me how you do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Eden,
Yes, Khalid?
do we use the other one that we started on last week? Do
Which
we
one?
use the HTML? We made an HTML last week.
Yeah,
Do we
yeah,
use
yeah,
that?
yeah.
Okay.
You can. Just lastly, you will explain for me how you do everything.
Okay, and what are we supposed to add again?
Like we need to make just a portfolio just like this. You need to add an image and you need to create a table and you will need to just
Okay.
simply add a YouTube video.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
What tag were we supposed to use to put the video in?
Like to put the video,
Yeah.
as I mentioned before, we need just simply to go to that video that we want to attach on our web browser. Like we will just simply go to YouTube and we will click on the share button. After that, we will click on embed. Then after embed, we have this type of links, like by using iframe tag. We will just simply copy this one, and after that, we will paste it on our web browser. I mean, on our code, on our HTML code.
So I use the iframe tag.
Yeah, we use iframe tag.
Okay. It doesn't work though for me.
Can you show me? Like, can you share your screen?
Okay. So I, I wanna I know like I need to go to embed,
Yeah.
but whenever I copy it,
Hmm.
it just never works.
You just show me, like, share your screen.
I did. Here,
Or let me show you.
wait, am I
By
not supposed to put iframe?
look, let me show you.
Was I not supposed to put this? Okay.
Okay, so let me show you. Look, just go to. Um, let me get back on phone. And let's say I choose this video.
Okay.
Then after, look, I will click on the share button first. And I will click on embed next. Then after that, as you have seen here, here is a link that is written by using iframe tag. We will just simply copy this one and let's get back to our base code and we will just simply paste this one here. So
Okay.
have you seen it? It will just simply
Yes.
appear on our web browser.
So
Let's try
now
this
it
way.
works. Yeah, it works. Thank you.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay, just do it in this way.
Okay, thank you.
You work. Samuel? Samuel? Mahdar? Mahdar?
Aiden,
Yes. Do you need any help?
I was trying to make the video, but it said there was an error, and I didn't really understand what was the problem.
Okay, so I think I need to show you. Look. Mahdar,
Yeah,
are you watching?
yeah.
Okay, so let's say we want to add this video. Thank you. And we will just simply go to the share button. Then after that, we will click on embed. Then as you have seen here, here is a link by using a frame tag. We will just simply copy all of these links and we will just get back to our HTML and we will paste it. When we go to our web browser, here it is. This is how we add videos on our web browser.
I understand, but I tried doing that to mine, but all it did is made the box and said I have to watch it on YouTube.
What? I didn't hear you.
Can I just share my screen and show you?
Yeah, just show me.
Right here, it says the error, but I didn't really understand what happened.
And to see your screen.
Do you still have your screen on?
Okay.
It says I have an error, but I don't understand what happened to it.
I cannot see your screen. Have you shared it?
Yeah,
This is not happening here.
I'm just gonna try it again if it works. I think it's because you're still sharing your screen.
Okay, yeah. Sorry.
Right here.
Okay. Just go to YouTube and show me which video you prefer. Maybe sometimes it could be based on the. Okay, great. Let's try to choose another one. Try to use another video.
I just do this one.
Click on share button. Embed. Then copy. Have you copied all of it?
What? Let me just move this somewhere.
You need to move the embed video. Like, yeah. Try to select from the bottom. Yeah, copy.
Right here, whenever I put it right here, but I guess I'm gonna try now.
Try to paste the one that we have copied now.
Okay.
Which video player configuration is error? I think okay, just uh again, let's go back to YouTube again. I think it will be sometime because of the connection error, but I think it's not a connection error. Just embed, scroll it, yeah, and try to select from the bottom. No,
Here?
no, from the closed iframe tag. Yeah, from select, copy, Control C. Then let's go back to Control V.
And then
Right. The web browser. Refresh it. I don't know why it's not working. Interesting. Let's try to choose another video. Is it inside the body tag? Are you sure?
Yeah, the body tag's right here.
Okay.
I mean, the closed one is there, and then the open one is right here.
Okay. Again, let's try to copy another video because it should be working. Remove this one. Remove it. Go back to YouTube. On the home. Okay. Okay. Click on the share button again.
Wait,
It's almost 3 hours. So, I don't know. Okay. Okay. So, all right. There is it.
I think I'm just gonna move on to something else, and I'm gonna try it later.
Okay. Khalid? Khalid,
Yes.
are you working?
Yeah.
There-
I'm,
Mhm.
I need help with something though.
Okay,
How do I
with what?
make like the entire background like a different color?
Okay, so okay, I think I forgot to show you that. So to make the entire background color the same, I have just simply call a tag the body tag, and I made all of the background color to be light blue. So this is the reason why all of the background colors are the same.
Hmm.
Is it clear now?
So I have to open up a class inside of the body tag.
You don't need to open a class. You can just simply call by using its own name, its own tag name, like by just simply call a body, and inside body you can make every background color to be light blue.
Okay.
Aiden,
Yes.
I need help on my CSS.
Okay. On what?
I need help how to do it kind.
Okay. So how to do what?
How to make the individual colors
Okay. For example, for what?
for like Aiden and student.
Yeah. Okay. So for Aiden and the student, as I have showed you before, I have already write both of them by using inside a h2 tag. So inside h2 tag, I made Aiden to be bold. So I used a B or bold tag. So in order to make only Aiden to be different color, uh, just because I have wrote it inside a bold tag. So inside my CSS file, I am just simply call that bold tag and make the text color to be red. So that is the reason why Eden is the text color of Eden is become red. Is this clear?
Mm.
Okay, in order
Yeah.
to a student to be a different color, I made again I have styled the student word to be in italic bold. So I have write it inside an I or italic bold tag. So again, just like a bold tag inside my CSS, I am just simply call by using add by using I tag inside my CSS file. After that, I made the color of that italic 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 tag color to be a purple. So that's how I changed the student text color.
Okay.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, so feel free to ask him. Samuel,
Yes.
are you here?
Yeah.
Okay, do you need any help?
No, I don't think so right now.
Okay, so can you show me your progress or are you just trying to do?
I'm finishing up something.
Okay, so can you show me that?
Okay.
Okay, so share your screen.
Oh yeah, on the live server, I couldn't get my thing to work.
Why?
I couldn't get the image. I don't know why.
Okay, it's not running on live server.
No.
Okay, open live server. Open live server.
Yeah, it won't show the picture. Was Yeah, it won't show on the live server.
Okay. Okay. Can you explain for me what you have done?
So I did the doc type HTML. I linked my CSS
Mm-hmm.
and I used the header and my H1, or I used to make my title.
Okay.
Then I put my name is Samuel, I'm a student, and I
Mm-hmm.
was gonna put an image under it.
Mm-hmm.
And then I list my hobbies that I sectioned it with the section code. And then I sectioned it again. And then I put my favorite website. I love watching videos at www.youtube.com, but I didn't want to show all of that. So I used this code to make it just YouTube.
Okay. Okay. So,
And I section
one thing.
That's all I did so far, but I'm still trying to get the image to work.
Okay, so why is not the image is not working? So can you show me on your HTML?
Here. It's this one. Trying to get this image.
I cannot see it. I think we have shared only one screen.
Oh,
Okay, so
yeah, this is the what I used, and then I'm trying to get this picture.
okay. So where the image?
Under yeah, this image.
Okay, so where's your HTML file?
This one. And then it's right here.
Okay, so I inside my portfolio, and there's your HTML file, and inside my first HTML document, there's your okay. So instead of image, is your image inside image file?
Yeah.
Fold the image file, like fold, click on image, click on image file. Okay, so okay, go back to on your HTML code. Okay, so image slash watermelon 8. Okay. Okay. Like instead of dot, uh, okay, so let's try to do it in this way. Instead of dot inside source, in your source, uh, like my first HTML file, right? In here, image source after the quotation.
Sorry, Aiden, but I have to leave.
What, Mahader? What did you
I
say?
have to leave for something.
Okay, for what?
I have another class that starts at like 11:30 and I need to get ready. Sorry.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
okay, Mahader. So try to practice these topics. I will share again the videos inside our WhatsApp group. And
Okay.
for next week, we will start our new class, which is called JavaScript.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, Samuel, sorry.
Mhm.
Okay, look, image source is equals to like before in front of image, like remove the dot part, like remove the dot sign.
Outside. This one?
Yeah, dot, yeah. Then write my write the folder name, like my. I think it's not capital, small, yeah. First, HTML. Bye. Try this one. Open the web server.
Still not there.
I cannot wait that. I think you have only shared one screen.
It's not here.
Okay. Okay, just go back to your HTML file again. Okay.
Eden,
Yes.
can you help me?
Okay. On what?
I need to know, I want to know, how to, make the list, of my routine, and then, the background color isn't working yet.
Okay. Um. Okay. Look, Caleb. In the case of background color, you don't need to use a dot operator. In front of a body. Remove that one. Yeah. Yeah. We need to use a dot operator only. When we are trying to call a class name. Yeah.
So now it'll work. Okay, thank
It
you.
work. You're welcome.
Yeah,
What
so
What's
now,
your second question?
I need help making the, like,
Mm.
my schedule.
On your schedule? Where is it?
Yeah,
Okay, so the reading, coding, and learning, right?
yeah,
Okay, so uh, in order to list some item, as you have learned it before, we need to use a list tag, right?
yeah,
Yeah, a line, not yeah, just only open. Yeah. So include all of this reading, coding, and learning inside different type of list tags, different list tags.
okay.
Yeah.
It's right here.
It works, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, can you explain for us how you do this exercise?
Okay. So, here I linked, so here I opened up the boilerplate to like start making the HTML. Then I linked it to the CSS so that I can add color. And then here I wrote like a paragraph like explaining like myself. And then I linked an image right here. Um, this is my image. And then here I linked two videos and um, I listed my my skills here. And so to do that, I opened up the image tag to put in um to put it in, and then I made uh and then I used the iframe tag to make the videos. And then here I use the list tag and H1 and H2 tags to make the to make the list of skills that I have. And then in CSS I used these I used these tags that I opened up with classes except for body to change the color on the CS on the website. And that's it.
Okay. Thank you so much, Khalid. You are doing good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so Samuel, we hold your
Wait, am I
I think,
done?
yeah, you're done.
Okay, can I leave?
Yeah, you can.
Okay,
And I will share the videos again this class. Try to watch the video and to exercise more. Khalid,
okay.
okay. Have a good night.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, Samuel.
Yeah.
Okay. I think you have shared your screen. So, our index.html file is inside our inside my portfolio folder, right?
Yeah.
So I think it's better to move the image to my portfolio. Like, let's try to move the image file to my portfolio folder. Look, yeah, no, um, came back on image file. Yeah, yeah. Then try to move it on my portfolio folder. Just try to hover on it. Yeah, move it. Yeah. So, just we only need to write the watermelon hair dot. Even if remove the image one also, because it's not inside image, it's already inside my portfolio. So remove the image directory also. Remove it.
Press. Do I press this?
Asset. Click on. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's try let's try to open on web browser. Mm, mm, I think need to edit it. So I think again you have shared only one screen.
Okay. Let me change it.
Mhm. Is it working?
No.
Okay, so look, remove my portfolio. Yeah, I have watched it. Go back to your HTML on your HTML document. Okay, and remove my portfolio. Instead of my portfolio, write asset. Yeah, remove it. And asset, right? Asset, and remove the slash info that appear inside in front of asset. Yeah, remove this one. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Okay. Try again. No. Yeah. Sure, Milo. Open. Mm,
It's not there still.
It's now working.
No.
Oh, again, go back to your go back on HTML and remove the asset. Yeah, remove again the slash. I think I don't need to use slash. Open live server.
Wait, it didn't.
Yes. Okay, still not working. Go back on the HTML document again. Is there a hyphen between a watermelon and head?
No.
I think um, open the image, like only the image. Open it. Follow the should work when you're learning the image. Okay. Uh, yeah. Have you seen it inside between a watermelon and head? There is a hyphen.
Yeah, I put a hyphen.
Okay, so like in front of a slash, in front of slash again, add asset. Yeah. Mm, is there a funny cat JPG?
Yeah, I'm gonna just do this one.
Open on live server. Is this working?
No. I don't know why it won't work.
It should work. I don't know why it's not working. It should work. Again, for the last time, let's go back to on the HTML file. And instead of funnycat.jpg, try to write watermelon/head. And no, like use the water. No.
Wait, what happened?
Like you
Did
need
I erase something?
Yeah, you did something wrong. Like you like with scholars too, there is a quotation, right? You have not closed the quotation after you have write the width 300. Remove the slash and on shift, and close by using a greater than, yeah. So look, instead of funnycat.jpg, write watermelon. No, don't remove asset. Do not remove it. Yeah, only funnycat. Watermelon slash um, no, I mean not slash, hyphen. No, not underscore, hyphen. Yeah, head dot web dot p. No, don't need to space it. I think it should work. Open on live server.
Yeah, it still doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
No. Even
Do you have another image? Or look, on the browser, try to search like a strawberry image. Create a new tab and search strawberry image. Image. Yeah. And click on one of the picture. Just click. Yeah, click on one. Then right click on the image, like right click. Yeah, right click on the image.
I'm right clicking.
No, like right click and it will appear like something copy image. Yeah, copy image. Copy the image. And go back to your HTML document. HTML on the base. Good. Yeah. Go back to on inside. Yeah, inside asset, like yeah, no, like inside my portfolio. Create right click, or like click only my portfolio and Control V on it. You will paste the image, like Control V. Yeah, paste it. Okay, so yeah, go back to your HTML. Remove all the asset in the watermelon. Yeah, and write image dot. Yeah, open on live server.
Okay, it's there.
Yeah, it works, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is how we add image. Like if you have like added another folder, like for example, yeah, it's working. Yeah, this is how we add image on our web browser.
Okay.
Okay, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, so some will like try to watch the videos I have attached already on our WhatsApp group. So try to
Mhm.
watch and to exercise on all of this topic. And
Yeah, okay.
so for the next week, we will start JavaScript. Do you have any idea about the JavaScript? Have you learned it before?
I've heard of JavaScript. It's a programming language.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know it because like I used to learn Python and I heard that like Python is kind of similar to JavaScript.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Python is this like is this more of English? Like, for example, almost everything will be almost related to English language. So, uh, even if you have learned Python, JavaScript will be much more easy for you because Python is more difficult than JavaScript.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for the next week, we will start JavaScript and hope it will be great and try to cover the topic that we have learned before, the HTML and the CSS, by watching the videos and try to practice more.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, this is uh, for today's class, and bye. Have a good, so bye.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.